Dallas flood risk is not controlled just because concrete work is almost finished. For AI for EPC, the Lewisville Lake question is, what proof shows uplift and seepage risk are inside the boundary? The failure boundary is physical. USACE says engineering evaluations targeted structural stability concerns at the spillway foundation, especially uplift pressures caused by seepage beneath the concrete during high water events. The control chain has 3 visible layers, more than 70 post-tension anchors into bedrock, an upstream geomembrane blanket to limit seepage, and 936 rock dowels reinforcing the apron. The evidence needed is not just install hardware. EPC managers need lift-off and tension records for anchors, geomembrane acceptance records, dowel installation evidence, and flood operation assumptions tied back to the design basis. This is also an interface risk. USACE says flood risk management and water supply operations continued uninterrupted, while construction required road closures, recreation changes, and work inside the environmental learning area. The useful takeaway is simple. The main delivery risk is a gap between installed controls and verified performance. A future AI for EPC control loop would compare design assumptions, inspection records, test results, and remaining punch list items before accepting that the boundary is closed.